Today we learn how to add a animation image or JSON file in your WordPress website like this. Go to your WordPress dashboard and here is my website. I want to edit this one and add a animation photo here. Edit with Elementor. Here is the section and I want to download a animation file. So now go to lotifiles.com. So I'm going to there and here is the lotifile.com website and I want to download a animation file. I will give the link description below. So now I want to download a file. I think I use this file. So click on this. And here is the download button. Click on the download button. Here is many option. The download loti JSON.loti and here is the other format GIF, MP4, WAV or MOV. So I want to add this JSON file. So download this one. The download is complete and click on this one and the download file is here. So go to your Elementor and I want to add here this file. Click on the plus button and right here Loti and you can find the Loti animation. So if you don't find this one, so you should install the Royal Elementor plugin or Elementor another kit. So I want to add this one and here is two options, external URL or media file. So I want to add media file. Upload the file, don't show, continue, upload the file. Here is the animated file. So click on this and just open. Finally upload complete and now select. You can see here is the animation file. So publish this one and now visit the website. You can see below this one is now visible. Don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.